Hello, this is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I'm really fascinated by this radio, the RADDY RF757. And one of the things that really blows my mind is the band coverage. It's unbelievable. I started to do a ATS, automatic tuning and storing, this morning, about half an hour ago, on the VHF UHF band, which goes from, I think, 27 point something megahertz to a gigahertz. Gigahertz. Well, 99999. And it's been running for about an hour, and it's only up to 225 megahertz. Now, keep in mind that this radio, internal telescopic antenna for FM shortwave VHF, UHF, is only 24 inches long, or a little less than 24 inches. So it's not going to pick up much using that. So you got to use an external antenna. But I was just doing a scan to see what the scan is like on the VHF, UHF. And I'm using the internal telescopic antenna, and it's not doing a very good job. Anyway, let me show you in the manual. You can download this manual. It comes in a PDF form, and I converted it to a Word. So, for instance, on FM, you can select one of 4 bands. Depending on where you are, United States would be the 10 kilohertz. We go down further. Where is it? There's the app you can use. There's the many buttons you can press. I want to get down. There's all the things you can see on the display. Oh my gosh, so much stuff. I mean, this is a radio that you not just listen to, but you play with. Okay, here we are. Now, here is the various bands you can receive on all the different bands. Now, I've selected type 2, which is the 10 kilohertz, which is for the United States. So here's FM, 87 to 108. Here's medium wave. Here's shortwave, 3.2 to 30. Pretty well covers shortwave. And then here's VHS, UHF, 25. Oh, I was wrong. It's 25 to 999 megahertz. Oh my gosh. Then we got the air band, that's separate. Then we got the weather band, that's separate. So you got all those bands to choose from. Now also, let me get down here further. Let me get down here. Okay, now here is where you can select the sub-band. So I would want, for instance, FM, I would want the second one, the United States. And then in shortwave, it has 14 meter bands you can select using this sub-bands button, so that you can quickly go through the meter bands. And there they are right here. Airband, there's only one of those. No, I take that back. Even in the airband, there's 7 meter bands. There they are down here. So you can quickly go to those sub bands. VHF, UHF, there are 23 sub bands. There they are listed down here. And like I say, when I started the search, ATS, about 40 minutes ago now, it's doing this whole entire range. Oh my gosh. And then you can select the bandwidths. Now, one of the reasons it's taken a long time to search, because it's searching at 5 kilohertz increments. That's going to take a long time. Okay, then you got the weather band. And then you got sound recordings. But I just wanted to show you how many bands this radio covers. Now, like I said, it's been searching the VHF, UHF bands for 40 minutes now. It has not found a single signal that it liked. One reason is it's 6 o'clock in the morning. So a lot of the VHF, UHF stations, including the airband, are not busy right now. Plus, using that 24-inch antenna or telescopic antenna, you're not gonna receive much on that. You've got to use an external antenna. Now, on shortwave, you can receive some stations depending on your location. I did a shortwave band scan before this scan, and it received about 4 stations using the built-in 24-inch telescopic antenna. So keep that in mind. Also, I noticed, that was yesterday or the day before, there's another seller on Amazon that's selling it for $69. Now that sale may be off now. It may be over, because that's one thing about Amazon you got to stay on top of. These sales come and go like instantaneously. So that was a big discount. That's about it. If you have any questions about this radio or something you want me to test, let me know. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. It tells me I'm doing shows that you enjoy, not wasting your time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.